Welcome to my YouTube channel Advance Info. Watch, like and share this video. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is love from your side. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Angkor Wat is one of the most famous landmarks in Southeast Asia, located in the northern province of Siem Reap, Cambodia. This ancient city and temple complex was built in the early 12th century by the Khmer Empire, and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple is not only a cultural monument, but also a symbol of Cambodia's national identity, and an icon of Southeast Asian architecture. The temple complex covers an area of 162.6 hectares, and is surrounded by a moat that is 190 meters wide. The central structure of Angkor Wat is a temple that is dedicated to the Hindu, but over time, the temple has been used by both Hindu and Buddhist religions. The temple has 5 towers. These towers are arranged in a quincunx pattern, and the central tower is the tallest, measuring 65 meters high. The temple is constructed of sandstone, which is a material that was readily available in the area. The sandstone was quarried from the Kalen Mountains, which are located about 25 miles north of the temple complex. The sandstone was transported downriver to the site of the temple using a system of canals and waterways. Despite its popularity, Angkor Wat faces several challenges. The temple complex is located in a tropical climate, which means that it is vulnerable to damage from weather and erosion. The exterior of the temple is covered in intricate carvings and bas-reliefs, which depict scenes from Hindu mythology and the history of the Khmer Empire. The bas-reliefs cover a total area of more than 1,200 square meters, and are considered to be some of the finest examples of Khmer art. The carvings are so detailed that they can be used to interpret historical events, such as the battles fought between the Khmer and the Chams. Inside the temple, there are several galleries that are filled with more carvings and bas-reliefs. The galleries were once used as living quarters for the priests and monks who lived at the temple. There are also several courtyards and terraces that provide stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The temple complex also includes several other smaller temples and shrines, as well as a library and a hall of dancers. One of the most unique features of Angkor Wat is its astronomical alignment. The temple is oriented to the west, which is an unusual direction for Hindu temples, as they are typically oriented to the east. Additionally, the temple is aligned with the equinoxes, which means that the sun rises and sets in a particular way during the equinoxes. Angkor Wat was built during the reign of King Suryavarman II, who ruled the Khmer Empire from 1113 to 1150. The temple was originally built as a Hindu temple, but it was later converted to a Buddhist temple in the 16th century. The temple remained in use until the 17th century, when it was abandoned and left to decay. Over time, the temple was swallowed up by the jungle, and it was largely forgotten by the outside world. In the 19th century, French explorer Henri Mouhot rediscovered the temple, and he wrote about his findings in his travelogue. This helped to spark interest in the temple, and it was subsequently studied and restored by archaeologists and conservationists. Today, Angkor Wat is a popular tourist attraction, and it attracts millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Thanks for watching.